I hear her car accelerating rapidly, so I look and she's in the middle of passing vehicles, coming back over. I'm in the road, hands up, telling her to stop. Clearly look like a law enforcement officer. No brakes, no lights, nothing. She just keeps going, guns it.
I did. I don't know.
Can I talk to him?
Yeah.
Officer Riera.
Okay.
Okay, I'll go into it.
Have you ever been arrested before for anything?
Okay. All right, thank you. Okay. All right.
Bye, Mom.
It's not fun. Be prepared to be strip searched.
What strip shirts?
On a quiet afternoon in New Smyrna Beach, Florida, a 19-year-old driver faces 5 years in prison, not for a high-speed chase, not for reckless driving, but for allegedly failing to stop for an officer on foot. This case raises critical questions about Florida's fleeing and eluding statute and constitutional protections. Let's analyze the law.
You go out to 15 Delta 21, just confirming you're at the police department. Because I do not dare.
Do you guys know whose white Mustang this is?
Tell her to come out.
Yeah, can you have him step out?
Hello.
Hi. Do I look familiar?
Kind of.
Yeah, I know. Yeah. Turn around, put your hands behind your back. You're under arrest for fleeing and eluding law enforcement.
What?
I walked out, flagged you down, told you to stop, and you rapidly accelerated away from me.
What?
Yes, ma'am. It's all on body cam.
You just
Nope, I walked out of the road and was telling you to stop.
walked out on the
Yep,
road. You
correct, and I was telling you to stop. It's all on body cam. You're under arrest for fleeing and eluding law enforcement. Come here.
Can I just call her mom?
Yeah, you can call her, Mom. Is that on her phone right there? I am a law enforcement officer, fully uniformed, telling you to stop because you're passing all those cars in a double yellow.
one car.
You passed multiple.
I passed
It doesn't matter. You still fled law enforcement. And then you rapidly accelerated as you went by me. You didn't stop, didn't do anything, didn't even hit the brakes.
You want help with that, sir?
No, I was going the speed limit across.
No, you weren't.
Can I talk to someone else?
It was just me there. I don't know who you want to talk to. Who do you want to talk to?
Maybe your supervisor?
Yeah, he's on his way. You're more than welcome to. That's fleeing and eluding law enforcement. So
Yeah.
go ahead and sit down for me. Do you have anything on you? Because I have a female that's going to come search you.
No.
Okay. Yeah. Huh?
Towing it?
Oh, yeah. Yeah. So, yeah, no, I literally was at, I hear her car accelerating rapidly, so I look and she's in the middle of passing vehicles, coming back over. I'm in the road, hands up, telling her to stop. Clearly look like a law enforcement officer. No brakes, no lights, nothing. She just keeps going, guns it. So, that's fleeing and eluding all day long. So,
Can we go to court for this?
absolutely. You're going to be going to court no matter what.
And you said you have it on dash cam?
I have it on body cam.
Okay.
Even better, because I was right there.
Oh, okay.
So, what's your name?
This is like makes the ridiculous thing ever. Again, what's your dad?
I know, I agree. Fleeing law enforcement is pretty ridiculous. I absolutely agree. And I'm also towing your car and putting it on a 30-day hold. So, just letting you know.
They're arresting me for fleeing and eluding. I passed in a double line, and then an officer came. I said, I'm getting arrested because an officer said I was fleeing and eluding. I was driving on. He came out and ran in front of, like, he half ran in front of my, like, he didn't even fully run in front of my car. And then, now I'm getting arrested for it because I parked in, because he said I was fleeing. But he wasn't even behind me with lights on or anything.
Doesn't matter. Don't need to be. I absolutely don't need to have lights, sirens activated. I'm a fully uniformed law enforcement officer telling you to stop.
Do you have your laptop in there? I did. I don't know.
Can I talk to him?
Yeah.
Officer Riera.
Okay.
Hey there, it's Officer Riera, New Smyrna Beach Police Department.
Do you have anything for school?
What officer who?
Officer Riera with the New Smyrna Beach Police Department.
Am I
Hey,
going
Riera.
Oh, okay, good. So, literally, I'm in the middle of the road. I'm a fully uniformed police officer telling her to stop. Not only does she not even apply the brakes, she rapidly accelerates away from me to the point where I have to jump in my car, which was parked several hundred feet away because I was investigating a hit and run crash. And now all of a sudden she's gone nowhere. So then I obviously find the car and make contact with her. So I don't need to have lights and sirens on behind or anything like that. I'm a fully uniformed police officer. I was given clear hand signals to stop. And I have a witness who was the victim of my hit and run crash who watched the entire thing. So, you know, of course, that meets statute requirements for fleeing and eluding. I don't mean to be a jerk about it or anything like that, but that's where we're at, okay?
How far did she go from when you tried to gesture her to stop?
Over a mile. So she didn't try to pull off the road, down the street, nothing like that.
Was she able to see you? Or?
Oh yeah, I am in a. She just told me I saw him in my uniform. So that's all I need. And I know she saw me because I was about in the middle of the road to where before she would run me over. So I didn't want to get ran over because she was already doing 65 plus. So, I have everything I need for fleeing and eluding. It is what it is. So she can take it to court. It's going to go to court no matter what. But that's what I have. It meets statute requirements. That's what we're doing. Okay.
Okay. Can you put her back on the phone?
Yeah, you're on speaker.
Hey.
Okay.
It's just so
Yeah.
Alright. So you'll probably be in jail for the weekend then.
Yeah. Okay.
So.
Because you're not gonna get out right away. Why were you going that fast down?
I passed one car. I passed one car because he was going like 30, and I passed him.
This is my daughter's friend. Embarrassing.
So why didn't you pull over at the time when he waved you down to stop? Why didn't you stop?
Because it wasn't like he was. I really didn't even know. I just saw a person in white and black, and then
Doing this.
he had one hand out, and it wasn't like he was in front of my car like that. He literally was from the side, like completely the side. I wasn't going 60. That's a hearsay. I was not going 60. From 30 to 60, I can't just do that when I'm in the other line going over to the other side.
Okay, so when he came to pull you over.
He didn't. He came over and found my car and pulled
It's all on Bodycam, sir. I was almost in the roadway. The reason I didn't go all the way in the roadway is because she was going so fast I didn't want to get hit by her. Because obviously I could see that she was not slowing down.
It's just what he thinks.
Okay. You're being so cocky.
I'm actually an instructor for speed measurement, so smart.
I'm not laughing.
I wouldn't be laughing. It's a felony. You committed a felony. Don't laugh at that.
Yeah, I mean, you're being cocky. You're not even being polite. You're not even using manners.
Yeah, this has been her the entire time, sir.
I know. That's what I don't get with her. It's just total ridiculous. So you don't understand what you just did.
I do.
Oh, you do you? Really? Like, how do you understand what you're doing? Because you're being a smartass the whole time to me, too. So I can only imagine how you're speaking to an officer.
It's all on Bodycam. I've been trying to be respectful to her, but
Right, I don't get it. So you just totally just screwed yourself inside and out for what you just did. Big time. Because now your car's going to get towed to the impound. You're going to pay to get that out, too, now.
Yeah, it's like 30 days.
yep, there's going to be a 30-day hold on it. There's going to be a 30-day hold on it.
So your nursing stuff is going to be screwed up now, too, because you don't have no damn manners. And you know what? It's going to take something like this to fuck you up now, and now you're done because you're so goddamn arrogant and cocky the whole damn time when you couldn't
Go ahead.
talk to the officer normally. When you did it, you had to be a real jerk, didn't you?
This is
I know you can't bullshit me. He's got the body cam on. So you just totally screwed your whole shit up. Nursing degree, everything. You just did it because you're being invincible. But guess what? You're going to spend the weekend in jail, and you'll see how invincible you are. And you know what? It might teach you a lesson now, maybe. You know? Because you just don't listen. You don't listen. So that cockiness finally caught up to you.
Did you hear your dad?
All right, so when you get to jail, you get one phone
Or
call.
just follow her instructions?
So you better figure out who you're going to call, to get you out of jail. So when you call your mom and start bitching at her and stuff, she going to make you sit. You call me, I'll make you ass sit too, because I'm not putting up with this shit. You got an attitude. It's got to change. It's got to change. It's ridiculous. This might be your game changer. You could have been probably polite to the officer from the get-go, and you probably wouldn't be in the situation you are right now. And I bet if you asked the officer that, your cockiness is probably what put you in that position right there. I guarantee it.
All right. She's getting searched right now by a female deputy. Do you have anything else for her? If not, we're gonna load her up and do some paperwork. Okay.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yes, sir. No problem.
Should I put my shoes back on or just?
Do you want it back on?
If that's what I'm saying, if your mom can bail you out now, or otherwise you will sit there until Monday.
I gotta calculate it, but it'll probably be like $2,500. Do you have an older brother?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I know him very well. Yep. He's in what, the Air Force?
Did you go to high school?
Yeah.
So, I'll just see it.
Actually, so you got jewelry on. Do you want to leave that with them and not bring it into the jail, like the earrings and stuff and your necklace?
Can I take it out?
Yeah. So if I uncuff you, do I have to take them out? You're not doing anything?
No.
All right. This is me being very nice by her. So.
Oh, Mom.
Yeah, if we have a problem, I'm gonna let her talk to you.
I'm getting arrested because I fleed an officer.
She's gonna need somebody to post the bond.
Anything else in the other jewelry?
It's gonna be 10% of probably $2,500.
Okay, I'll go into it.
Have you ever been arrested before for anything?
All right, thank you. Okay. All right,
Bye, Mom.
it's not fun. Be prepared to be strip searched.
What strip shirts?
You take everything off, and you bend over.
And now that you know that, if you do have anything on you and you introduce it into the branch jail, it's a felony, okay? All right,
Oh, yeah.
I tell everybody I arrest her. I'm going to cuff her up front since seems like Dad's kind of talked a little bit of sense into her. Are you good with that?
No.
Are you good with that though? Since she'll be in your car.
Yeah.
And is your guys' pool car available or no?
No.
Okay.
It won't take you that long. So I can just right up.
No, it shouldn't take that long. I mean, I know how Jenkins is though. He's going to want me to transport my own arrest. So.
Yeah, sorry.
It's all on Bodycam too on the previous Signal 3, so it's like.
Or did I just need that? Whose phone do you have?
Mine. This is mine.
Oh, he already has your phone, or did I?
Yeah, we already have it because she wanted to take that.
Yeah.
All right, good. Just go ahead and put your hands like this together up front. There you go. Just a little bit further out. You're good. I'm being very nice.
Behind you.
Do I have to pop these off?
I mean, I don't think it would be too big of an issue.
Yeah.
I'm double locking it, that way they don't cinch down your wrist, all right?
Yeah, thank you. So bad.
Did you do?
We're going to go to his vehicle right here.
Florida Statute 316.1935, subsection 1, defines felony fleeing and eluding. The statute states, "It is unlawful for any vehicle operator, having knowledge of an order to stop by law enforcement, to willfully refuse or fail to stop, or having stopped, to willfully flee." This is a third-degree felony punishable by up to 5 years in state prison, a $5,000 fine, and mandatory 1 to 5 year license suspension. Critically, courts cannot withhold adjudication. This means automatic felony conviction. Many assume fleeing requires lights and sirens. Subsection 1 does not. Subsection 2 requires marked vehicle, with lights and sirens activated. But subsection 1, charged here, requires only 2 elements: knowledge that a law enforcement officer ordered you to stop, and willful failure to comply. The knowledge requirement is not assumption. It must be actual knowledge. Florida courts have held the state must prove. The defendant knew a law enforcement officer, acting in official capacity, gave a clear order to stop. In this case, Officer Riera was on foot, not in his patrol vehicle. No emergency lights were activated. No siren was sounding. The officer raised his hand toward a vehicle, traveling at approximately 60 miles per hour. Defense counsel would argue, did this driver actually know a police officer was ordering her to stop? A person in civilian clothes could raise their hand. A construction worker could signal. Without traditional indicators marked vehicle, lights, sirens, the knowledge element becomes questionable. Willfulness is equally critical. The statute requires intentional refusal. If the driver genuinely did not perceive an order to stop, there is no willful violation. The driver's immediate return home, rather than continued flight, supports an argument of lack of awareness, rather than intentional evasion. Now we turn to constitutional issues. that compound the legal problems in this arrest. The Fourth Amendment protects against unreasonable searches and seizures. The body cam shows officers entering the family garage without audible consent, without a warrant, and without clear exigent circumstances. While officers may pursue a fleeing felon, they must have probable cause to believe a felony occurred and that the suspect is inside the location. Here, the underlying question is whether a felony actually occurred at all. The Fifth Amendment issue is equally problematic. Miranda versus Arizona, decided in 1966, requires officers to advise suspects of their constitutional rights before custodial interrogation. Once the subject was handcuffed, she was clearly in custody. Officer Riera questioned her extensively about whether she saw him, what she was thinking, and her knowledge of his presence, all without Miranda warnings. Any statements obtained may be suppressed, weakening the prosecution's case. These constitutional violations suggest inadequate training or oversight. Now let's evaluate the parties involved.
Here, okay. Yep, this one right here.
So, Mr. Romeo, the Denver flight check that's occupied your car. We're so long.
Copy.
Yeah, I don't want you to sit on that seatbelt. I'm just going to buckle you in.
You have enough AC?
Oh yeah, it's cold back here. What's your name?
My name is Officer Gott.
Nice to meet you. Well, not really, but how long have you been a police officer?
Almost 11 years.
Oh wow. Do you like it?
Oh, I absolutely love it. I mean, if I didn't like it, I wouldn't be, I wouldn't be doing it for 11 years.
How long do you think I'll be there for?
Well, it depends. I'm pretty sure that it's a third-degree felony, so you'll have a bond. So a couple hours, then you'll be able to bond out.
Okay.
What's up, Cam? Hey, Cam. All right. Go ahead and step out. We're going to go on the right side of this car. Just hang tight. I'm just going to drive you over here.
What?
Yeah. She literally admitted to the entire thing. Like, I've known the family for a long time. I played football with her older brother. Yep. I know your dad. I know your brother. Very well.
Did you play baseball or like football with them?
I played football with for a long time.
Yeah.
I follow him on Facebook.
Yeah.
See, if the crime that I'm charged with wasn't a felony, I could have just wrote you a ticket and be done with it. But unfortunately, since it's a felony, no matter what, I have to make a physical arrest. You have like zero criminal history, right?
Yeah. I mean, one time I shoplifted when I was 16, but I don't think it's on there.
Did they charge you with anything or no?
No. Can this get expunged or anything?
I mean, potentially, if you have no criminal history or anything like that,
Yeah.
you know, they might work with you. Do you want the windows up like that or down like that, or
It's
do you want
fine
them
like that.
up?
It's fine like that. The camera's kind of covered by that thing. I don't know if that matters.
Well, if it makes it any better, that was my captain texting me. I'm probably getting in trouble because of how fast I was going looking for you. Because by the time I got back into my car and to go after you, you were so far gone. I was lights and sirens. I was doing over 100. So I'm probably getting in trouble for that now. So if that makes you feel any better.
Do you have any extra waters?
No, I don't have a pack of water. I had a couple bottles, but I don't have any more. I have Red Bull if she wants one.
You want a Red Bull?
Please.
She said
Something.
please. You ain't gonna get all hopped up on Red Bull, right? Like,
No.
you all weird? Okay.
I just need something.
I got you. So like I said, I'm only writing you the civil traffic, just passing or no passing zone,
Okay.
instead of anything else criminal.
Okay. Thank you. I don't think I was speeding. I mean, I wasn't looking down.
Listen, I'm not charging you with any speed or anything like that, but you were definitely, I visually estimated you at about 60. Easily.
What's the speed limit on that road?
40.
Officer Riera receives a grade of C+. He correctly identified traffic violations and demonstrated sound investigative skills by locating the vehicle through neighborhood canvassing. However, the Fourth Amendment garage entry and Fifth Amendment Miranda violations represent serious constitutional failures that may result in case dismissal. The subject, Tara Palmieri, receives a grade of C-. She committed clear traffic violations, passing in a no-passing zone. She failed to exercise her right to remain silent, making statements without legal counsel. However, whether her conduct constitutes felony fleeing remains legally questionable. The new Smyrna Beach Police Department receives a grade of B-. The department demonstrates generally professional standards, but reveals training gaps in constitutional protections, particularly Miranda and search protocols. What lessons can we learn from this incident? For law enforcement, constitutional compliance is not optional. Miranda warnings before custodial interrogation and proper entry protocols are fundamental requirements, not mere technicalities. When charging serious felonies, ensure all elements are provable. For citizens, know your rights, but comply with lawful orders. If you believe an order is unlawful, the roadside is not the place to litigate. Exercise your right to remain silent. Request an attorney immediately. Do not allow family members to make statements on your behalf to police. For legal analysis, this case illustrates how statute interpretation matters. Florida law distinguishes between subsection 1, fleeing without lights and sirens, and subsection 2, fleeing with lights and sirens, but both require knowledge and willfulness. Prosecutors must prove these elements beyond a reasonable doubt, not mere probability. This case remains pending. The outcome will likely hinge on whether prosecutors can prove the knowledge element and whether constitutional violations result in suppression of critical evidence. Let us know your thoughts on this case in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and remember to check out our second channel, Audit the Court, for even more police interaction and courtroom content.